Why is scene size up crucial for vehicle extrication safety? Imagine rushing into a scene without knowing what hazards are waiting. It might seem quick, but that can put everyone at serious risk. When it comes to rescuing trapped victims in vehicle crashes, taking a few moments to assess the scene can make all the difference. Scene size up is a systematic process of gathering information about the accident scene before jumping into action. It helps firefighters and rescue teams decide how to approach safely and efficiently. The moment your vehicle arrives, a quick 30-second observation from a safe distance sets the stage. During this time, look for hazards like broken glass, sharp metal, leaking fuel, or spilled fluids. These dangers can cause injuries to responders if not identified early. Also, check for fire or smoke coming from the vehicle, downed electrical wires, or unstable vehicles that might shift unexpectedly. Recognizing these hazards helps you plan how to stabilize the scene first. Establishing danger zones is essential. For example, keep at least 50 feet away from the wreckage unless hazards like fuel spills or fire are present. When fuel is leaking or a fire is burning, extend this zone to 100 feet. If electrical wires are down, stay one full span of wires away from poles. These zones protect your team from secondary accidents. The hot zone, usually a 15-foot perimeter around the vehicle, is where rescue work happens. Everyone inside must wear full personal protective equipment including gloves, eye protection, and respiratory gear if needed. Scene size up helps determine if this zone can be maintained safely. It also involves assessing resources. Count the vehicles involved, note if there are any ejected victims, and observe the damage pattern. This helps estimate how many patients might be inside and how severe their injuries are. If you see a vehicle with heavy deformation or ejections, prepare for high-energy impacts and serious trauma. This quick assessment allows you to request the right amount of help and equipment immediately. Clear communication is another key benefit. When the first responder reports scene conditions to dispatch, they can send the right resources and alert hospitals about potential multiple casualties. Vehicle stabilization depends heavily on what you learn during size up. Knowing if the vehicle is in park or drive, or if it is a hybrid, influences how you secure it. For example, hybrid vehicles need special electrical precautions to avoid shocks. Conducting a full 360-degree survey of the scene reveals hazards that might not be visible from one angle. If something is hidden behind the vehicle or out of sight, assign another team member to investigate and report back. This comprehensive view helps develop a clear plan before starting extrication. Studies show that skipping or rushing scene size up leads to more injuries among responders. Taking a few minutes to identify hazards reduces the chances of accidents during rescue. Once size up is complete, extrication maneuvers can be planned efficiently. Knowing how many steps are needed and what tools to use prevents wasting time and keeps patients in the vehicle as briefly as possible. Good scene size up also sets up the incident command system. When the first officer takes charge and assigns roles, everyone understands what to do. This organization avoids confusion and ensures hazards are addressed properly. For vehicle extrication, scene size up helps decide if quick removal or extended stabilization is best. It guides communication between the rescue team and medical personnel, ensuring everyone has the right information. Remember, scene size up is not a delay. It is the foundation for a safe, effective rescue. It protects your team, improves response times, and gives trapped patients the best chance to survive.